friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe it and like it ताकि मैं आपको मेरे आगे वाले वीडियो की जानकारी इजीली दे सकूं। आज का मेरा टॉपिक है टेंसेस। टुडे माय टॉपिक इज अबाउट टेंसेस। Tenses are form a verb that shows the time, continuations about any actions. Okay, so there are three types of tenses. First is the present tense, then past tense and future tense, and each tense has four sub tenses. You know about that. First number is a simple present tense, then present continuous, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Then similarly past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Then future tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. First tense is simple present tense. Uses: when we use simple present tense to express a habitual action, that time we are using simple present tense. To express general truth, that time also using simple present tense. Future meaning timetables, programs, that time also we using simple present tense. Okay, and how to know that given sentence is a simple present tense sentence? For that, some words like every day, sometimes, always, never, usually using in that sentence. So these all are signal words. If these words present in sentence, that means that tense is a simple present tense. Clear? Then I work. I work. This is affirmative sentence. And for negative, I do not work. I do not work. And then for interrogative, do I work and question mark. Clear? Then he works. He works. Now all of you thinking why here written works? Because he is a singular, and in simple present tense with singular we using s or es form of verbs. So he is a singular, that's why we using here works. Then for a negative, he does not work. He does not work. And for interrogative, does he work? Now you think why we not written here works, why we write here only like work? Because of here using does not. So does indicate as a simple present tense, that's why we write here work. If in sentence do or does present, that time we will write only first form of that verb. Clear? Then I go. I go. And then negative, I do not go. And for interrogative, do I go. He goes. He goes. He does not go. Does he go? Now understood? This is simple present tense. For structure wise, in simple present tense, first subject plus verbs s or es form plus object. For negative, subject plus do or does not plus verb first form plus object. For interrogative, do or does beginning of the sentence and then subject plus verb first form and then object and question mark. Our next tense is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Uses: something is happening at the same time of speaking or around it. And future meaning when you have already decided and arranged to do it, a fixed plan date. That time we all are using present continuous tense. How do we know that given sentence is present continuous tense sentence. So in sentence is given now, at the moment, look, listen. This type of words if given there, that known as that indicate the present continuous tense. Okay. Then in present continuous tense we using is, am, are and verbs which form ing form. Verbs ing form. So I am working. I am working. So here with I we using always am and then working. Verbs which form ing form. Then for negative, I am not working. I am not working. And for interrogative, am I working and then question mark. Similarly, we using he is. It means with singular we using is. He is working. He is not working. Is he working? Question mark. Then I am going. I am not going. Am I going? Question mark. Then he is going. He is not going. Is he going? Then question mark. Then they are reading. They are reading. Why we using here they are reading? Are because of they is a plural form. So with plural we using are. With singular we using is. And with I we using am. So this is our present continuous tense. Which tense? Present continuous tense. So in present continuous, subject plus verb, subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing plus object. Okay. Now our next tense is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense uses when any action happened or is finished in the past and it has a connection to the present. Connection to the present, or action started in the past and continues up to the present. So that type of tense known as a present perfect tense. Okay. Now if in sentences just, yet, never, ever, already, so far, up to now, since, for, recently, like this type of words present in that particular sentence that indicate as that sentence is present perfect tense sentence. Clear? In present perfect tense we using has or have and verbs past participle form. Past participle form it means third form. Like I have worked. I have worked. Then I have not worked. I have not worked. Have I worked? Have I worked? And question mark. Then he has worked. He has worked. With singular we using has. Okay. He has not worked. And has he worked? Then I have gone. I haven't gone. Have I gone? Question mark. Then he has gone. He has gone. He has not gone. Has he gone? Question mark. So this is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, subject plus has or have plus verb which form? Past participle form. It means third form. Then plus object. Clear? For negative, after has a we using not, and interrogative beginning of the sentence we using have or has. all in perfect tense always using verbs third form. Our next tense is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense uses action begun in the past and has just stopped or continued in the present, that known as a present perfect continuous tense. How long the action has been happening. How long the action has been happening. In sentences, how to know this sentence is given is present perfect continuous tense. So all day, the whole day, how long, since, for, this type of words if given in sentence that indicate this sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous we using has, have plus been plus verb ing form. I have been working. I have been working. For negative, I have not been working. I have not been working. For interrogative, have I been working? Have I been working? Then he has been working. He has been working. He has not been working. Has he been working? Question mark. I have been going. I have been going. I have not been going. I have not been going. Have I been going? Have I been going? And then question mark. Then he has been going. He has not been going. Has he been going? And then question mark. So in present perfect continuous tense we using subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing form and then object. For negative we using subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb ing form and then object. For interrogative we using has or have beginning of the sentence, then subject plus been plus verb ing plus object and then end of the sentence we using question mark. In this video, our simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense over. Okay, and in my next video, all of you watch past tenses. So subscribe my video and like it. Thank you.